marble become a
I hope that you understand at least some Italian. A 13ª sessione dei seminari internazionali sulle guerre nucleari formulo voti che importante assise di eminenti scienziati convenuti costì anni or sono hanno dato vita ad una fattiva integrazione scientifica tra
I think such limitation will become a necessity. But once one has this necessity, then one can make, and to my old mind,
job in these centers. We employ maybe like more than 1,000 scientists. What is the role of World Lab?
Guarda l'uccellino, guarda l'uccellino!
No, sì. Aspetta che faccio qualche sabbia. No, qui adesso tocca a me.
Sconti gli animali! Tutti e quattro.
В этом прекрасном месте Эричи, на этой горе, на скале, встретиться с вами, с представителями Грузии, и, собственно, обсудить те же очень интересные вещи, которые и для вашей науки важны, и для нашей науки важны, но большую самостоятельность науки, расцвет. Вот. Я желаю вам успеха и надеюсь, что мы тоже ведем World Lab тоже, как и вы. Успехов! Спасибо.
Туманный поволок, полузакрытый стомой, как ваша сила мне жестокая под стрелами ресниц знакома. Руками белыми, как лилии, нас страсть заковывает в цепи. Теперь нас не спасут усилия, мы пленники великолепные. Как называется, я не знаю точно. Но это не мог написать европеец и не мог написать азиат. Это мог написать грузин, который находится на килограмме того и другого, понимаете?
ma è il fatto che questi individui non inquinano sufficiente di sviluppare il tumore, quindi sembra essere...
No, you go too fast. Too fast? Avete afferrato il giorno, è molto importante. Allora glielo spieghi di nuovo, questo è molto importante.
Allora, con il passaggio...
Questo è molto bello.
Quello che è emerso da studi è aumentata moltissimo e si pensava che fosse...
Allora, cosa ti pensi?
mettere un uovo, si può usare il modello animale dell'SID, che è un cugino dell'HIV2, come avete scritto oggi, che è anche un cugino lontano dell'HIV1. Quindi nel modello animale
section of the World Laboratory activity.
Dear Professor Zikiki, ladies and gentlemen, let me greet you on behalf of the Georgian Center of the World Laboratory and inform you of the work of this center. The Georgian Scientific and Educational Center of the World Laboratory is just making its first steps. We are working at various aspects with the aim of more complete usage of scientific potential of our republic in solving problems vital for mankind and actual for Georgia. In the preliminary agreement of the government of the USSR and Italy, on the support of the international non-governmental organization, International Cultural Center, the World Laboratory, there have been included 4 problems at which organizations of the Republic are working now. Let me tell you briefly of what this work deals with. Problem 1, namely, inviting to the courses on microsurgical technique training of physicians from different countries. Joint scientific investigations in experimental elaboration of new microsurgical operations. Investigations in physiology and pathophysiology of circulation during different experimental Tbilisi State University. A number of new types of molecular rearrangements of carbohydrates have been discovered, and some simple methods for obtaining important and expensive physiologically active compounds on their basis have been worked out in our laboratory, which opens up new possibilities for using of natural sources. A new approach to the study of alternative pathways of the formation of organic acids and deoxysugars in natural systems is suggested, which is based on the mentioned above research. We have obtained simple methods for the synthesis of natural deoxysugars, which are important class of natural products. Deoxysugars have been recognized as immunological determinants when attached to macromolecules and are responsible for the specificity of immune reactions. In the laboratory, we have worked out highly effective, ecologically pure plant-growing stimulators on the basis of natural products, which can be applied for increase of crops. In this slide, you'll see effect of non-toxic, ecologically pure compound on plant. On the left side, untreated plant. On the right side, treated plant. Besides, we have developed highly effective stimulators which may be successfully used for vegetational reproductivity of valuable and toughly rooted plants. On the left, untreated plant, and on the right, treated plant. It's very interesting sort of plant. It's silver pine. Silver pine. By the way, we gave in May 1990 to the Botanical Garden of the Rome University as a token of our friendship and goodwill 100 just these silver pines, which were rooted and multiplied in our laboratory using new types of these ecologically pure and non-toxic stimulators. I hope they will grow high and beautiful here in Italian soil and will become a symbol of our tender feeling to Italian people. At present, considerable attention have been focused upon artificial immunization of living organisms, which can be considered a powerful means in increasing non-specific plant resistance against diseases and various unfavorable influences. Some synthesized compounds acquired in our laboratory show a strong immunologic effect on the lemon sorts grown in Georgia against Masseco disease caused by fungus Phoma trachyphylla, which causes drying of lemons, oranges, and the rest of citruses and damaged crop of citruses. In this slide, you can see the protective effect of new immunological substance on the lemon sort. On the left, it's without treating, completely destroyed lemon sort, and on the right, there is treated lemons. In this scope, unlike the already known stimulators, the proposed substances are easily water-soluble, non-toxic, do not decay during when stored, and substantially